welcome to YouTrip podcast. We are live from Sate 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation with one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the travel industry this year. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, could you introduce yourself in one line,
Yeah,
your
sure.
name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
Perfect. Yeah. So my name is Shivam Mishra, and I am from Faridabad, Delhi NCR, and my company's name is Mivoya Global Vacations Private Limited.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, with everything going digital these days,
Right.
why do you think the clients should still choose travel agents?
So basically, travel agents are like the backbone of the tourism industry, as you know, because if you are traveling to like countries like Europe, basically, and countries that are very hard to get visa for, like US and Australia, sometimes Japan and all. So there you can't just travel alone for many reasons, right?
Mhm.
So, and what travel agents does is they just prepare your itinerary, they brief you everything, they give you proper guidance, they have their own travel tour managers on spot to help you and guide you to make your perfect trip. And this can be very beneficial if you are going for a honeymoon trip, for a wedding trip, and all. Yeah.
All right. So, in one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
Toughest part for being in the travel industry is like the season and the dynamics. The industry is very much dependent on the season. Like if we have some, for example, last time we had COVID, so that time the industry was like suffering a lot. It was bleeding like a hell. So these are the some challenges where it is tough for everyone. Like starting from the airlines, hotels, travel agents, even the you can say drivers, and everyone related to travel and tourism industry, they all suffer a lot for this.
Okay. Now, let's lighten it up with a quick rapid fire question round where I would ask you to keep the answers short, crisp, and concise.
Sure.
So, if we talk about group tours, are they easy to manage or are they a complete nightmare?
Group tours are easy to manage if you have perfect operations team.
Okay. If you could instantly solve one problem in the travel industry, what would that be?
That would be basically like so many middle person are there, like someone selling, the salesperson, the account person, and they are connecting for refund they are connecting with some other person. So these things are nightmare for the customers. In case if you are a customer, you have to connect to 3 4 people for one thing, then it's all getting clumsy and all.
Okay. Choose one. Booking via online portals or building personal relationship with travel companies.
Building personal relationship with travel companies.
Okay. If you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
Istanbul, Turkey.
Okay. What is the most common excuse you hear for delayed payments from your clients?
uh, these things we hear a lot, and this industry depends upon other person as well, like the airlines, the hotel, and the ground staff. So we have to first chase the airlines, we have to first chase the hotel operators, and then we have to get the refund. That's it. So it's chain thing.
Okay. What is one myth about travel agents that is completely wrong?
uh, they loot you.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like that.
Okay. Are clients choosing experiences over luxury?
True. Everyone chooses experience over luxury.
Okay. So now coming back to the business side of things,
Sure.
what all destinations do you majorly deal in?
I deal in 120 plus countries worldwide and all pan India destinations.
Okay. What is your travel business best known for?
It's known for outbound tourism, like for foreign countries,
Okay. Why do you clients keep coming back to you for repeat bookings?
because the service we provide, the service my company provides, is the best in-person thing. Because like what does the salesperson do is they just sell the packages, but what we do is we take care of from starting to end. We take care of everything, and we always keep in touch. We also follow with the customers, like what they are doing right now and is everything okay or not. So these things keep the customer, build trust in our company.
Okay. What is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
Underrated thing is, I can't say underrated, but it's like you have to be available all the time, 24 into 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we will talk about industry realities. And if I ask honestly, what do you think matters more today? Is it the price or trust?
The trust,
Okay. What is one thing that online portals can never replace?
the human connection.
Okay. What is the biggest change you've seen in today's Indian traveler?
The Indian traveler have now they have variety of options with them. They are traveling a lot right now, like they used to travel before. It's like too much for present time, and also the contribution to the Indian economy is getting very high due to this travel industry.
Okay. So if someone is starting as a travel agent today, what should their focus be?
Their first focus should be of destination learning, because if you don't know any destination, you can never sell it. So first thing first, you learn the destination, then you go to the clients, customers, and build the trust.
Okay. If an agent wants to grow in the industry, what is first thing they need to fix?
They need to fix their way of talking,
Okay, all right.
like how you talk matters a lot.
Okay. Now, in just one word, okay, just one word, why should someone book with your company?
Trust.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of this journey, what would you tell him?
You can do it a lot better.
Okay. And now, before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for your fellow travel agents.
For my fellow travel agents, I would just, as a brother, I can tell you, don't panic, don't be in a hurry to sell every packages. Take your time, talk to the customer, and build trust, because trust is something that you can't buy with money. So you have to build the trust, fix your way of talking, what I did in my company, and right now we are doing great in terms of sales.
All right. Thank you for joining us today. This
Thank
has
you.
been a fantastic
Thank
conversation.
you so much. Nice
And I'm sure that our viewers, especially those from the travel industry, will gain something meaningful, something insightful from our discussion here at SATE 2026.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much.